And you leave you with a smile. Can't help but love her, but you can't help but love her, but you can't. Hi, Peanut. It's written all over your face. Is that good? You won't look this way, I can't get you. Just sideways mohawk.
She wants to look at me, baby.
She's, maybe she smells that. Good stuff. She's trying to follow her sense of smell. Yeah, she's watching you.
She's an animal.
She knows it's good stuff.
She's an animal.
She sniffed your breakfast out. Oh, you're stuck with milk. Yeah. Can't help but wonder. It's more than worth it. It's written all over your face. What is?
She's staring at me. She won't stop.
Aw, Peanut, look over here. You're creeping out Emily. She's very territorial with her food. Yeah, this we know. Oh, there you are. Hi. Good morning. Remember me? You remember me? She's gonna leave you with a smile. Oh, I got nothing for you. I got nothing for you. I was telling her I got nothing for you. Hi. Over here. Hey. You know that's something, huh? What, do you see yourself in there? Smiley? Look at you. What are you doing? Do that?